Okay, we're going to do a video on the 2009 Keystone Cougar. 245 rear kitchen. Lots of room in this. One big slide. Couch turns into it's a real sleeping bed, not a futon, it's a real bed. Coming up the stairs, there's storage right underneath right there. Then you've got your toilet separate over here. And you've got your bathroom over here. Nice tile work in there. Very nice. You have two TVs. You got one in here. You got a full double bed. Not a queen, it's a double. Nice headboard. Plenty of storage. Sink. Table will also turn into a bed if you have kids. And this is excellent because you can have people sitting here watching TV, people sitting there watching TV. Stereo also works. We have that on too. And then the people can be cooking here. I mean, you can have 6 people in this and not be in everybody's way. This is awesome. And this is a one half-ton series where you can pull this with a regular pickup truck. I think this is like 5,000 pounds. Excellent condition all throughout, inside and out. Just a very nice unit right here. 2009. Okay.